Hi, I am a Professor Robson Gutierre from Brazil. It's a great honor to participate in the World Tai Chi Science Day. My congratulations to the organizers of this event for the brilliant initiative, and I thank them for the invitation to give this lecture. Taijiquan, Qigong, and traditional Chinese medicine are health preservation methodologies. Their concepts were already mature in Chinese civilization thousands of years ago. Here we see the ancient illustration dove into from the Warring States period, showing that special physical exercises were practiced for maintaining health thousands of years ago. The knowledge about the relationship between the human being and the universe is the basis of Taijiquan, Qigong, and TCM. Ancient theories tell us about the energy that forms all the universe, the Qi, and the laws which drive the Qi manifestations, yin-yang and five elements theories. The Qi in our body can be differentiated in many forms: the pectoral Qi, the nutritional Qi, the defensive Qi, and the inherited Qi. All of them together form a new kind of Qi, the Qi of the channels or meridians, and circulate through the body, connecting all parts of the body. According to Chinese physiology of Qi, digestion of the food and drinks generates the blood and the body fluids. Chinese physical exercises as Taijiquan and Qigong are quite different from Western physical education because they intend to move, tone, calm, and make beneficial modifications on the Qi, the blood, and the body fluids. The theories of yin, yang, and five elements are the basis for understanding Qi, blood, and body fluids. As mentioned before, the Chinese theories related to TCM, Taijiquan, and Qigong are based on the observations of the human being's relationship with the universe and how it influences one's health. We must follow the universal laws and marry yin and yang, heaven and earth in our body through self-cultivation. Preserving this union is the way for strengthening health and prolonging life. Not only yin, yang, and five elements theory influenced the Taijiquan, Qigong, and TCM. Taoism and other philosophical schools, such as Buddhism and Confucianism, also took part in this process and are still alive. Emotional balance and wisdom are necessary for a healthy life. In the 70s, TCM and Kung Fu, Wushu, gained popularity in the West. In the 80s, Qigong also began to grow fast outside China. The benefits of Taijiquan and Qigong, explained under the complexity of the Chinese theories, made them incomprehensible and almost unbelievable for Western practitioners and scientists. What's Tao? What's Qi? In this traditional knowledge, the body is seen as an integrated system of production, storage, functions, and substances, where the organs, zanfu, and tissues are interconnected by a network of energy channels or meridians, Jingluo. These channels or meridians were never described by Western science. Now, researchers are demonstrating the existence of these channels, although we still don't know the nature of Qi. Scientists introduced a fluorescent dye in an acupoint and followed its movement inside the body with a special cam. Here we can see the pericardial meridian and some acupoints. How can modern science explain all these phenomena together with the ancient Chinese theories? And how can we deal with all the ancient theories in the field of physical exercises under the scrutiny of the modern science? Nowadays, Western science has discovered new physiological ways, showing an intercommunication system between organs and tissues, crosstalk. Different classes of biomolecules are responsible for the crosstalk between distant organs. During exercising, the crosstalk is mediated by many biomolecules secreted in response to exercise. Exerkine is the general term covering any humoral factors, peptides, metabolites, and RNAs, secreted in the circulation in response to exercise, promoting modifications in the functions of the brain, liver, pancreas, fat, heart, skeletal muscle, bone, and the immune system. Here we can see that different kinds of exercises also promote different physiological effects. Now we can see how the muscle, when stimulated through physical exercise, can send chemical signals to different organs, cells, and tissues. Here we see the exercised muscle sending chemical signals to the pancreas, gut, immune cells, tumors, bones, liver, adipose tissue, and the brain. We can also see the exercised muscles sending chemical signals to other cells as fibroblasts and endothelial cells. Muscles can also stimulate themselves and their satellite cells. What happens if we compare the new medical data to the ancient Chinese medical theories? We can see a promising way to reach the union of the Eastern and Western medicines. Physical exercises were always part of medicine in China. Many of the Taijiquan and Qigong masters were also TCM doctors. Huatuo is the most famous example of a TCM doctor, surgeon, and Qigong master. Nowadays, we can follow science to complete this picture. Although there are still many unanswered questions and conflicting information, we can see the exercise stimulating the heart and promoting lipolysis. In five elements theory, it is the fire promoting effects in the earth, the mother-son law. There are many other examples we could mention and discuss for days. The combination of the Eastern and Western medical sciences will contribute to the understanding and development of Taijiquan, Qigong, and TCM, and very likely it will confirm the knowledge of the ancient masters. Today, we are here to share our love for Taijiquan. For centuries, this wonderful art has been developed. We don't have documents to affirm that Chan Sanfeng is the founder of Taijiquan. We have the legend and the spoken tradition. Recent historical studies indicate Shen Wanting, a chief of the civil troops defending Wen County before the downfall of the Ming Dynasty, as the founder of Taijiquan. His deep experience in Chinese martial arts and war gave new meaning to mental balance and health preservation under the influence of Taoism, as mentioned in a poem he wrote not long before his death. I want to thank the historical founder of Taijiquan, Shen Wanting, and all Chen family who preserved this noble art and generated many new schools in the world. I want to thank my master Cui Chongsan for the opportunity to serve the young Taijiquan family. I also want to thank my master Cui Chongsan and my brothers and sisters from Yongyang family who supported me in China all the time I've been there. I cannot forget to thank my beloved masters Li Rongji and Li Hanji, who had introduced me to Taijiquan in Brazil many years before I traveled to China and became a student of Master Cui Chongsan.